Carbohydrates, along with proteins and fats, are macronutrients that play a vital role in providing energy to the body. Carbs can be found in various forms such as starches, sugars, and fibers, which are present in grains, vegetables, fruits, and dairy products. While carbohydrates are essential for a healthy diet, excessive consumption can have negative effects. For individuals following a no-carb diet or aiming to limit their carb intake, it is crucial to avoid certain foods and instead focus on consuming foods rich in protein or fat. Meats, fish, eggs, cheese, and butter are excellent sources of protein or fat that can be included in such dietary plans. Carbohydrates serve as an excellent source of energy for active individuals. However, if one leads a less active lifestyle, it is advisable to restrict carbohydrate intake to achieve or maintain their ideal weight. Certain foods, such as white bread, pastries, sodas, and highly processed or refined foods, are high in carbs. These items contain easily digested carbohydrates that can contribute to weight gain, hinder weight loss, and increase the risk of diabetes and heart disease. High-carb diets can have detrimental effects on the body, leading to significant biochemical and structural changes. These changes include increased lipid deposition, which elevates the risk of heart disease and inflammation in major organs like the liver. Additionally, high-carb diets have been associated with an increased risk of chronic diseases, reduced physical activity, and obesity. The consumption of carbs from processed grains and added sugars can further raise the risk of obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and certain types of cancer. Excessive carb intake can also result in elevated blood sugar levels, known as hyperglycemia, which increases the risk of developing diabetes. If you're looking to lower your carb intake, here are some zero to low carb food choices. 1. Seafoods. Seafoods, particularly salmon, are an excellent choice for reducing carbohydrate intake while providing abundant heart-healthy fats. Salmon is not only a rich source of beneficial nutrients such as B12, iodine, and vitamin D3, but also offers the added advantage of being a carb-free addition to your meal. By incorporating salmon into your diet, you can enjoy its unique nutritional profile, which includes nutrients that are not commonly found in many other foods. 2. Eggs. Eggs are incredibly low in carbs, containing only 0.6 grams, and they offer a diverse array of healthful nutrients. Incorporating eggs into your diet can have positive effects on various aspects of health. Studies have shown that consuming eggs is associated with improved memory function, particularly in older individuals, and a reduced rate of eyesight degradation. To maximize the benefits of eggs, it is generally recommended to consume 2 to 4 eggs per day. This serving size is considered an ideal recommendation to take advantage of the nutritional value and potential health advantages that eggs offer. 3. Cauliflowers. Cauliflower is an indispensable vegetable when it comes to weight loss. Moreover, its versatility allows you to create a wide range of intriguing dishes in your kitchen. Not only is cauliflower low in carbohydrates, with just 5 grams per cup, but it also boasts significant amounts of essential nutrients. Rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, cauliflower offers numerous health benefits. As a cruciferous vegetable, it naturally provides ample fiber and B vitamins. Additionally, cauliflower is packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients that have protective properties against cancer. The fiber content of cauliflower supports improved digestion and aids in weight loss efforts. Furthermore, cauliflower is a source of several other important nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. 4. Kale. Kale, a cruciferous vegetable similar to cauliflower, is renowned for its multitude of health benefits. This nutrient-rich leafy green is a powerhouse when it comes to promoting well-being. Kale boasts impressive levels of fiber, as well as significant amounts of vitamin C, vitamin K, and carotene antioxidants. These antioxidants play a vital role in safeguarding the body against harmful free radicals, which can contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer, inflammatory joint conditions, asthma, diabetes, and more. 5. Cheese. Cheese, with only 0.7 grams of carbs per ounce, is a popular component of low-carb meal plans. Not only is it versatile and delightful to savor on its own or as an ingredient in various recipes, but it also offers exceptional nutritional value. Even a single thick slice of cheese packs a similar nutrient content as a whole glass of milk. It serves as a reliable source of essential nutrients, including calcium, protein, phosphorus, and vitamin B12, which plays a crucial role in red blood cell and DNA formation. Additionally, cheese provides vitamin A, vital for cell division, reproduction, and a robust immune system. 6. Avocado. Avocado, a distinctive fruit, contains approximately 12 grams of carbs per serving, but its true claim to fame lies in its rich fat content, primarily composed of healthy unsaturated fats rather than excessive carbohydrates. Moreover, avocados are an excellent source of dietary fiber, potassium, magnesium, and vitamins such as vitamin C, E, and K. These diverse nutrients play pivotal roles in promoting a healthy heart, nourishing hair, enhancing vision through phytochemicals like lutein, aiding in detoxification due to the abundance of fiber, and bestowing various other health benefits. 7. Olives. Olives, which contain around 8 grams of carbs per cup, are petite fruits that exclusively grow on olive trees, predominantly in Europe. These fruits belong to the drupe or stone fruit family, sharing kinship with mangoes, cherries, peaches, and almonds. Not only are olives a delectable addition to various dishes, but they also offer a range of health benefits. They are a noteworthy source of vitamin E, iron, copper, and calcium. Moreover, olives are abundant in diverse plant compounds, particularly antioxidants like tyrosol, which exhibit potential anti-cancer effects. Additionally, they contain oleanolic acid, which aids in preventing liver damage and reducing inflammation, and quercetin, known for its ability to enhance heart health and lower blood pressure. 8. Nuts. Nuts are widely favored in low-carb diets due to their low carbohydrate content combined with their richness in fiber, protein, healthy fats, and an array of essential nutrients. Among the nut varieties, pecans, Brazil nuts, and macadamia nuts stand out as the ones with the lowest carb content. When considering these three options, pecan nuts, in particular, are highly recommended as they contain only 4 grams of carbs. Pecans offer a satisfying crunch while providing a nutrient-dense profile that includes fiber, protein, healthy fats, and other beneficial components. 9. Mushrooms. Mushrooms, with just 2 grams of carbs per cup, are not only delicious but also offer a range of essential nutrients. These edible fungi come in various types, each with its own distinctive composition and nutritional profile. For centuries, mushrooms have been celebrated for their ability to enhance the flavors of diverse cuisines around the world. Despite being fungi, mushrooms are commonly grouped with vegetables in cooking. When it comes to mushrooms, you can't go wrong. They allow you to elevate the taste of your dishes without adding extra sodium or fat, as they are naturally fat-free, low in sodium, low in calories, and cholesterol-free. Moreover, mushrooms are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a healthy and nutritious choice. 10. Broccoli. Broccoli, with approximately 6 grams of carbs per cup, is a delicious cruciferous vegetable that offers a multitude of culinary possibilities, whether enjoyed raw or cooked. Rich in essential nutrients, broccoli is particularly high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. These nutrients contribute to its nutritional value and make it a beneficial addition to your diet. Additionally, broccoli contains powerful plant compounds known for their potential health-promoting properties. With its versatility and nutritional content, broccoli provides a range of options for incorporating it into your meals. Whether you prefer it raw in a salad or lightly steamed as a side dish, broccoli adds both flavor and nutritional benefits to your plate. 11. Beef. Beef is a carbohydrate-free food that offers excellent satiety and is packed with essential nutrients such as iron and vitamin B12. With a wide variety of cuts available, ranging from succulent ribeye steak to versatile ground beef or hamburger, beef provides numerous options for enjoying its benefits. Including beef in your diet can help meet your nutritional needs while savoring its delicious flavors and textures. 12. Chicken. Chicken, a carbohydrate-free meat, is renowned worldwide for its widespread popularity. It not only offers a host of beneficial nutrients but is also an exceptional protein source. Incorporating chicken into your diet can aid in weight management and decrease the risk of heart disease, thanks to its protein-rich composition. Additionally, chicken contains tryptophan, an amino acid associated with elevated levels of serotonin, the feel-good hormone in our brains. By enjoying chicken, you can nourish your body while potentially boosting your mood. We sincerely thank you for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and enjoyable, please hit the like button to share your satisfaction with us. Don't forget to click the share button to spread the information to your friends and family. If you want to watch more similar videos and stay updated with the latest content, please subscribe to our channel. We will provide valuable information and address any questions you may have. See you in the next videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.